Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the camera and profile, power the unit and confirm battery health, then connect it to the controlling app or computer. Once linked, locate the camera's color profile or picture style file, export the current profile so you can restore it if needed. You do this because changing color is a destructive tweak, so make sure to back up files and note exposure and white balance values before you alter anything. Now, open the color editor or manufacturer software to begin direct edits. You will now make the detailed changes. Start with white balance to set neutral baseline, then tweak hue and saturation for the look you want. Use RAW or high-quality JPEG so adjustments retain detail. View on a calibrated monitor to avoid bias. Modify tone curves and selectively shift shadows, midtones, and highlights. This is why you backed up. These are nuanced edits that can clip or wash out colors. Once done, preview across multiple scenes and lighting conditions to confirm consistency. Finish by exporting the edited color profile in the camera's compatible format and give it a clear name with version and date. You then upload the profile using the official app, USB, or by copying to the SD card, and reboot the camera so the firmware loads the new settings. Test images in varied light. Make small retries if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if colors are wrong, revert to your saved original profile and recalibrate white balance. This isolates whether the profile or shooting conditions caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.